Lovely features, folks, lovely features. This beautiful building that's been left, so I hope it's going to be revived and renewed and revived and raised up to, look at this, blank, bland, no, there's no character in that building. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Government house. Happened to the old buildings? Completely derelict. Why? Why are they doing this? It's crazy. Why are they doing? Why are they graffitiing the whole place? It's crazy to have the old traditions being ripped. Dingy side of the old buildings, folks. You need to hold on to those old buildings. This is what the European Union's expansion have done. They knock it down the old buildings, right? Build these ones, and then look, Radisson's Blue has turned up. Glass facade compared to alongside as the Platinum Casino has turned up, and then the Millet. Oh dear. That's the opera, I guess. Right next to the I hope they revive this building with great hope. I'm gonna take her. They're waiting for the old historic buildings to be derelict and completely dilapidated. And they're waiting to be knocked down by some foreign entity would turn up, buy the land through some kind of a setup, and then bring about flimsy rubbish buildings like this and put a Starbucks on the bottom of it. It's a joke and a half. And they're covering up all the old historic buildings and traditional buildings. Like, look at all these wonderful structures have been smashed up, neglected, let to dilapidate. Look at these lovely little buildings. It's just been revived somehow. Yeah, you might say that it might cost to conserve the old buildings, but you don't want any of this stuff in your face, right? Starbucks. What a joke do we have in Starbucks? Yeah, you might say, oh, you've seen enough of Starbucks and all of that rubbish. It's a casino. Look at this. It's a Roman museum. Look at this. all the most fantastic buildings are just been graffitied and all locked or neglected and left out. So all these old buildings have just been completely neglected, and they're waiting for somebody to come and knock it down and then build one of these Ibis, Accor, Pullman, Hilton, Holiday Inn. It's a wood joke. They're knocking down all the old traditions. I hope they'll hold on to some of these traditions. Oh, look at this. The European Union has designated some money there, look, with a little signage. It's a joke. Why did they bring up something like this? Look what you got on that billboard. KFC. What a joy.